In this video I'm going to show you how to make your Spyder MR2 paintball gun go other than semi-automatic. Go 3-round burst, fully automatic. Now, for some reason, okay, there's a switch down here that says semi, burst fire, and fully automatic. When I'd put it on burst fire, it'd still be green and it would only shoot semi-automatic. And when I'd put it on fully automatic, it would still be green and it would only shoot semi-automatic. So, I'm going to show you how to fix it if it's like that. Take your Allen wrench, take off 1, 2, 3, these 3 bolts, and take them off. You have that. Now, you have your battery. Replace the battery, get a new battery, of course, that's not the reason. Get, see this thing? Right next to it, there's 2 little prongs. There's 2 little prongs here. What you need to do is connect those 2. So what I did was take aluminum pop can and cut little 3 strips. Put 1 strip around one, put another strip around another, and then connected them with 1 more strip. Make sure it's tight so they won't come off loose. Make sure it's really tight. And so now, see how it's flashing when it's green? That's semi-automatic. Then next mode, yellow, 3 round burst. Then red, fully automatic. So just connect those 2 little prongs and just connect those little 2 prongs and it will start working. Just those 2 little prongs sticking up, just connect them somehow. Not by pushing them together, but connecting them. Okay. This has been Kent69 Bro, and that's it. See you guys.